Hello everyone, and welcome to the Aortic Arch Injection Step-by-Step Guide by Mortuary Magic. Now, to perform this method, you're going to need a director cannula, which, if you don't already know, is a 16-inch flexible cannula with a siliconized tip. And this method is done by guiding this cannula into the subclavian artery into the arch of the aorta. So first things first, you want to make sure you slide your hose over the tapered end totally and completely as pictured here. And our incision is made as a bra strap incision. We dissect the tissue to locate the vessels. The subclavian vessels are in this general area. And as we dissect, we want to think autopsy case and we want to make sure that our strokes are in the direction of the vessels to be sure not to shred them or break them apart. You may even consider making this incision in your vein or drainage to maintain integrity of the vessel. Now, as we guide the cannula into the artery, we want to make sure we rotate the tip of the cannula down the brachiocephalic trunk and into the arch of the aorta. And once we're there and we begin the injection from this point, we'll begin to get even distribution to the head from all of the vessels. The vertebral vessels, the carotid vessels, and even throughout the whole body. Best of all, the incision site is rather easy to hide, and if your skill set is high, you can even begin to move this incision towards the axillary space. Like the video, like the post, but best of all, like the message from our sponsor.
A squid, a T-bone. Thanks, Postmaster.
Not so fast. Hands off, kid. The Postmaster squid, because let's face it, 6 might as well be 8. And let's not forget the Postmaster's T-bone, taking your aspiration from medium to well done. Order now, and the Postmaster line is guaranteed to deliver.